Got a 2007 Mercedes S550. So we having a problem where the hood won't come loose. One of the latch is stuck on the right side. So we're gonna try to get in here and get it loose. So we're gonna take out the fender guard right here, and then we gotta go up through this little hole. Let me back up so you can see. Gotta take the right fender guard out. Then right in between the headlight and the coolant reservoir. You're gonna see the lock. The lock. That's the lock right here. So you're gonna try to, if you look closely, you see the cable. Hold on, I got limited space working with here. So if you look closer, you see the cable right here. So you gotta push on that cable, push on that lever, and the hood should pop open. So let's see, let's check it and see. Here we go. Yeah, so there we go. We got the hood open. So, you know, it's a little bit difficult, but that's the way I got in there. I don't know if there's a override for it, but that's the way I get in there and got that hood open. So I guess you know, if you both sides is stuck, you go on the other side and you take these out. There's another one. There's a 10 right here, and right here there's another one, and then there is two, one here, one down there. Take that out, fender guard should come right out.
Are you making videos now?